Okay guys, so let's just make a quick test of this small escape room puzzle. So first we turn it on.
Master key required.
Okay, so as you can see, it requires this master key, which is just an USB drive, and we start with the LED turned red and the message on the screen. So let me just insert this master key.
Master key confirmed. Initialization code required.
So as you can see, we have a confirmation on the screen that the master key is okay, and also the LED turned to green. So now we have to enter a code. Let me just put the wrong code first to make a test.
Wrong code inserted. Please try again.
So as you can see, if you put the wrong code, you can try again, and this time I'll put the good code, 3007.
Inserted code okay. You can now continue.
So now we have access to the rest of the parts. So in order to continue, you have to flip the switch, the key, and also this toggle switch is here. These two upwards, and this downwards as it is. So let me just flip the key, and I will be able to So let me just flip the key, and I will be able to So let me just flip the key, and I will be able to put my fingerprint.
Please scan your fingerprint.
So as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is now turned on and red. Let me just place a wrong fingerprint. As you can see, with the wrong fingerprint, nothing happens. But when I put the good one, the one that I have in the memory.
Correct fingerprint detected. Welcome, Master. You can press the on button now.
So now I have access to this button, and this will control this receiver. As you can see, there's no wired connection between the receiver and the transmitter, but we have a radio connection. So with this button, I will control this LED, which in this case could be an LED, a relay, your PC, or anything else. So let me just push the button.
System initialized. Welcome back.
So as you can see, each time I press the button, it will change this LED here, and you can control this anything that you want. It could be this LED, maybe a fan, maybe a motor, or in my case, I will control the PC of my brother using a radio connection. So that's it. That's the example of this very simple puzzle. Take this idea and use it however you want to make your own escape room puzzle.